This video illustrates how to use VDA WebGIS to locate a congressional community based on a zip code. We are now looking at the Census 2020 project startup view. So to locate a zip code, I enter the zip code in the zip code query above the map window, and I'll select 92660 and then click the query button, and it shows me the zip code crosshatched, which is located in Orange County, California. So that's the zip code we actually want the congressional community. So to do this, in the legend panel to the left of the map window, I check on CC 2010, and I'll also check on CC 2010 code, which just shows the congressional community code in the map window. So we can see that the zip code that I've selected is partly in CCN 06, that's California, 48, that's CD 48 in California, and 005, the elemental congressional community. It's also partly in 06 48 004. So for purposes of this illustration, I'll assume that the user was actually located in 06 48 004 and proceed to focus on that. So the next step might be to just go ahead and below the map window, remove the crosshatch. So the crosshatch is gone. Now we see the congressional communities in context of a thematic map showing median household income patterns by census tract. So since we're not interested in census tracts in this particular situation, I uncheck it so it goes away from the map window. So next we might be interested in seeing the congressional communities in context with the congressional district. So in the legend panel, I check on the 116th congressional districts, and then I'll use the zoom tool to zoom out, and now we can see where my pointer is showing. This is all congressional district 48, and we see contextually where my pointer is now, that particular congressional community of interest. So to highlight CD 48, congressional district CA 48, I'll change my selection, my active layer, to the 116th CD, and now I just click anywhere in that congressional district, and it highlights that area, congressional district 48. And again, we can see down here where my pointer is, 06 48 004. That concludes the basics of how to locate a congressional community and see it in context of the congressional district. I can now repeat that process with some very different zip codes, such as 10036 in New York. Then I click the query, and it relocates the map window to the New York vicinity. I zoom out to get perspective. It doesn't look like much there, so I might want to add to that the OpenStreetMaps layer in the legend panel at the left toward the bottom. I uncheck World by Country, and then I check on OpenStreetMap layer. So now we can see that particular congressional community south of Central Park, if you will, in Manhattan. That concludes this video. Please visit another. Thank you.